Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you unmute your or somebody else's microphone in a meeting in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see at the left side of the screen, you have the option to either create a new meeting for yourself or to join somebody else's meeting. So if you want to join a meeting guys, all you have to do is go ahead and paste the link or code that they have sent you to their meeting right here, and after pasting the link, all you have to do is click the join button right here, and then you'll successfully join their meeting. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting, and I'm going to do that by clicking the blue button right here called new meeting. Clicking on new meeting guys, you can see this one will give me the option to either create a meeting for later, schedule one in Google Calendar, and so on. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start an instant meeting. Click on start instant meeting guys. Now this will open up this new tab where you can see my meeting. This is our meeting. Here is my screen that I'm sharing that everybody will be able to see. Currently I'm not sharing anything, but if I were, it would appear here. So guys, let's say that you have muted yourself, or you want to mute yourself and you want to unmute now, or vice versa. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy and you only need to click one button. All you have to do guys is go right here down below where your options are for managing your meeting, and what you want to do is go ahead and click the first option right here, which is called turn off microphone. And now we will successfully mute ourselves, and if this is red guys, this means we are muted. So guys, if this is red, all we have to do to unmute it is just go ahead and click it again, click on turn on microphone. And now guys, we have successfully unmuted ourselves, and now everybody will be able to hear us ourselves again. So if you want to mute or unmute somebody else in the meeting, all you have to do is go right here to the lower right corner where your participants tab is, go ahead and click on this, and here, if they are in the meeting, as you can see I'm currently alone, but if somebody else is in the meeting, you will have the microphone option right here next to their name that you will be able to click, and then you'll successfully mute them or unmute them depending if you want them to hear themselves or not. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.